Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and one of our subscribers has requested on how to peel or to remove the skin of a mango. So I am going to make this video in my version. Even I myself, I'm not a good skin remover for the fruits, so this is my version, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. So with a mango and I have a peeler, all I need to do is just go through, as you can see here, dear viewers. And so I'll do this part one side and then the other, just gently as we could peel. And we have completed one side, and we shall do the other side. And the scrap we don't throw away. We could do something else with it, and I'll be coming up with another video on how to make what we can make with the scrap. So I'll be scraping down this one too, so I'll be back when I'm done. And dear viewers, here is our mango, our peeled mango, and now I'm going to just show you one on how I cut them. The pit in the middle, so we are not going to cut through the pit, so we are going to saw them gently. And we got the first layer, and you could see the pit is over here, so we got to take to the other side and just saw them gently. And we have already the other side of the mango as well. And so now we are going to cut down this side where the pit is. So if you got to like bend a little bit according to the pit. And whatever the balance, we could just go through this way, or on the other side as well. This is much more faster and easier. So we could just cut this through, and remember to saw them. Little pressure. Oops. And we have our mango here. This may not be the right way, but if you find there's any other ways, please do comment in the description box. This is what I do all the time. I'm not a professional, and well, ladies out there, you guys know better than me, so do advise me on this too. Thank you, ladies. And there we go. Scraping down the pit as much flesh I could take down. And there we go. That's the balance of the pit we have. So that is for me to munch and enjoy. And I'm going to do some dishes out of this mango, and it will be in my next video. So I'll see you in my next video also, and thank you very much for tuning in for Friday Friendly Kitchen, and thank you for being there faithfully for all those subscribers who have been with me, and all those who are new, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, and also let us learn with one another how we could create dishes and eat healthy. So thank you for viewing Friday Friendly Kitchen. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.